सुप्रभातं छात्राः। दशमः पाठः विश्वबन्धुत्वं। Vishwam means world, Bandhutvam means relationship. So, as name refers, in this lesson we are going to learn about universal brotherhood. That means through this lesson we are going to learn that everyone in this world must think that whole world is their family. In Sanskrit it is said that Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam means Vasudha, this earth itself our family. So whole world is like a one single family. When we develop such mentality, there will be no scope for jealous, anger, enmity, etc. And everyone in this world can live happily without any arguments. So let us learn this concept in detail in this lesson. उत्सवे व्यसने दुर्भिक्षे राष्ट्रविप्लवे दैनन्दिनव्यवहारे च यः सहायतां करोति सः बन्धुः भवति. उत्सवे व्यसने दुर्भिक्षे राष्ट्रविप्लवे दैनन्दिनव्यवहारे च यः सहायतां करोति सः बन्धुः भवति. So बन्धुः is relative. So who is relative? Usually we consider that all relatives like brother, sister, uncle, also such relatives are close relatives. But exactly real meaning of the relative is Utsave during festivals or a happy occasion, Vyasane during individual crisis or when we are facing some problems, Durbhikshe during famine, Rashtra Viplave during national crisis, and Dainandina Vyavaharecha and in day-to-day business or works. Yaha Sahayatam Karoti, one who helps. Sahayatam Karoti means one who helps. Saha Bandhuhu Bhavati, he becomes relative. So, relative in the sense, really, he or she, the person, one who helps during our difficulties and shares happiness during our comfort. So, whoever can be our relative, those who are ready to share good and bad with us. Utsave during festivals, Vyasane during individual crisis, Durbhikshe during famine, Rashtra Viplave during national crisis, Dainandina Vyavahare day-to-day business, Sahayatam helps, Bandhuhu relative. यदि विश्वे सर्वत्र एतादृशः भावः भवेत् तदा विश्वबन्धुत्वं सम्भवति. परन्तु अधुना निखिले संसारे कलहस्य अशान्तेः च वातावरणम् अस्ति. यदि विश्वे सर्वत्र एतादृशः भावः भवेत् तदा विश्वबन्धुत्वं सम्भवति. परन्तु अधुना निखिले संसारे कलहस्य अशान्तेः च वातावरणम् अस्ति. If we develop, यदि विश्वे सर्वत्र एतादृशः भावः भवेत्, if we develop such mentality, which mentality? That mentality of relative, being relative to each other, helping others, then tada vishwabandhutvam sambhavati. Then only universal brotherhood possible. Whole world can be our family. Parantu adhuna nikhile samsare kalahasya ashantehe cha vatavaranam asti. But instead of that, adhuna nikhile samsare, in whole world, kalahasya of quarrel, ashantehe violence, cha vatavaranam asti. Atmosphere of quarreling and violence spread all over the world because no one is ready to accept others as their family member. If this mentality grow in the world, that is called as universal brotherhood. But nowadays in the whole world, atmosphere of quarrel and violence is seen. Vishwe, in the world, sarvatra, everywhere, vishwabandhutvam, universal brotherhood, parantu, but, aduna, now. Nikhile samsare, in the whole world, kalahasya, of quarrel, ashantehe, of violence, vatavaranam, atmosphere. मानवाः परस्परं न विश्वसन्ति, ते परस्य कष्टं स्वकीयं कष्टं न गणयन्ति. मानवाः परस्परं न विश्वसन्ति, ते परस्य कष्टं स्वकीयं कष्टं न गणयन्ति. So मानवाः, human being, parasparam na vishwasanti, are not trusting each other. Parasparam means each other. So though no one is ready to trust each other, te parasya kashtam swakiyam kashtam na ganayanti, and they are not considering others' difficulty as their own. That means everyone are worried about their own difficulties, but they least bothered about others' difficulties. Human beings don't trust each other. They are not bothered about others' difficulties also. Manavaha, human being, parasparam, each other, vishwasanti, believe, parasya, others, kashtam, difficulty, swakiyam, own. So children, practice this part of the lesson today and let us continue with the next part tomorrow. Thank you children.